Welcome to Homestyle Preparations by Aarti. Today we're going to make a white bread and a wheat bread. We will start off with white bread process. We will take 6 cups of white flour and add salt to it. We'll take lukewarm water and add dry yeast, 1 packet, to it. And we will mix it well and set it aside to rise. Mix the salt in the flour, and then once the yeast has risen, after 10 minutes, just slowly add it to the flour and go in the round motions so you can mix all of it properly. So once it is mixed and it turns into a solid ball, all the dry flour is gone, take it out on the silicone sheet or on the countertop and knead it very well. This will need quite a bit of effort for 10 minutes. So once it is done, set it in a bowl, cover it with cellophane and set it aside to rise for 3 hours in a warm place. Now we will repeat the same process with wheat flour. Take 6 cups of wheat flour, add salt to it, and then add the risen yeast to it and knead it like we did the white flour. So once it's kneaded well, you can also add egg to it because wheat flour doesn't have binding in it. So once it is done, just cover it and set it aside for 3 hours. So our dough has risen. We are going to take it out now and see how it looks. Oh, this is looking good. We're going to put some oil, little bit of oil on our mat and just rub it out. We have been kneading the dough in a rubbing motion, and now we cut it into 2 equal pieces. We will flatten one of them and roll one piece out. We will bring the sides in from 2 ends and try to make a rectangle out of it, same size as the pan, so we can fit it in the pan. So make it that size and seal the openings so it does not create any air pockets inside the bread when we are baking. So once it's done, we will put them in 3 different pans and take a very hot towel and cover them, set them aside for an hour. An hour later, we will unveil them and see what they look like. Oh my god, they have risen, as you can see. They're looking good. So put some oil on top and spread it with a basting brush. This is my assistant chef helping me out today with the process. And we are spreading the oil on the breads. We will bake them at 375 degrees for 35 minutes. If you have convection bake setting, use that because that's even baking and even heating of the oven. You want to make sure that the oven is preheated before you put these breads for making. At least 10 minutes preheated. We have taken the bread out of the oven after 35 minutes. That's what it took. So now we're going to baste it with butter and put it on the cooling rack for some time before we slice it. It is looking good. So it is time to slice the bread. We will start with the white bread. So cut them into the thickness that you desire and keep slicing them. They're looking pretty good. There are no air pockets. So next is our brown bread. It didn't swell up as much as the white one, but that's okay. Wheat is healthier, so that's why we baked it. And taste wise, it doesn't taste as bad. It doesn't taste as good as the white one, but it's not bad at all. The tasting is going on. Aditya is going to try it with Parmesan. We put some Italian spices and now he's trying to be very precise with the Parmesan cheese, and let's see how it tastes. Awesome. So our taster has approved the breads. We have cut them into slices and then we further cut them in half and put them in this baking dish. I sprinkled it with some spices and olive oil and stuck them into the oven for another minute or two, so it tastes very nice and warm again. Thank you for watching Home Style Preparations by Aarti.